Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix the issue with Valorant. Whenever you play the game just crashes randomly or just right in the middle of the game without any error code. Let's fix it guys. The first solution is to run Valorant as admin and disable full screen optimization. To do this, you just need to right click on the Valorant and select properties. Select compatibility tab and check mark disable full screen optimizations and run this program as an administrator. Select apply and OK for save changes. Now you can check if the problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, let's move on to the second solution guys. The second solution is to update graphics drivers. Outdated graphics drivers can cause crashes in game. To do this, you just need to check my video description for this link used in my video. For AMD users and Nvidia users, you need to select your graphics card model over here. Select your operating system and after selecting it, select search and you will be get the latest driver for your graphics card guys. Select the download option. Select the download option and download the driver. After getting download done, you just need to install it guys. For AMD users, you just need to scroll down, select over here product graphics and select the graphics card model over here. After selecting it, select submit. Depending on what type of Windows you have, expand it and select the download option and download the driver guys. After getting download the latest driver, you just need to install it guys. After installing it, you can check if the problem solved or not. If this solution doesn't fix your problem, you can try 4 steps to solve the problem guys. Step 1, check system requirements. Make sure your PC meets the game's minimum system requirements. And step 2, close background applications. Close any unnecessary programs running in the background to free up system resources. And step 3, lower graphics settings. Lower the graphics settings in game to reduce strain on your system. Step 4, disable overlays. Disable any overlays such as Discord or GeForce Experience as they can sometimes cause conflicts. So you need to make sure to disable all. I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.